Oracle Cloud Terms Library. Hi, my name's Scott Walls, and I created this easy to follow free course so anyone can learn how to use the Terms Library application in less than 1 hour. Together, we'll walk step by step through how to create, find, and change contract terms transactions in Oracle Cloud. And best of all, if you have questions while you're watching the course, you can reach out to me directly at any time. Let me show you how to get started right now. Step 1. Go to Panomere.com, or if you hate typing, click the link below. Step 2. From Panomere's main menu, select Learn, then New Courses, then End Users, and click on Procurement. Step 3. From the Procurement page, click the Enroll button within the Contract Management Learning path and start learning immediately. Don't miss out on this easy-to-learn opportunity. In fact, the course is free for the next 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Come to Panomere and get 1% better in the next couple hours. And I'll see you in the next video.